Mike Levitt back with part 5 of my 10-part corrugated kicks cardboard Chuck Taylor tutorial series. In this part we're going to condition and glue the toe body. If you've followed along through the first 4 parts of the series, by now you should have a shoe body and insole assembly along with a nice thick sole amassed to about 1.25 inches thick. This toe body is probably the trickiest shaping procedure we'll do, so I'll try to baby step through this as best I can. First, if you haven't cut the toe body out yet, do that now. It's the piece from my template that looks like it has sun rays coming out of it. Note the little extra slits you need to cut into the toe just above the glue tabs. With your toe body piece cut out, it's time to condition this piece. First, curl it over the table edge to make a nice round shape as it folds over the top of your toes. Then fold the glue tabs inward. Start folding the glue tabs inward at either side of the toe, working your way toward the front. This overlaps the glue tabs onto each other to help create a rounded shape on the front of the toe. The glue tabs at the very front of the toe should overlap the rest of the tabs. Crease the hard corners of all the glue tabs nice and sharp so the toe body glues down to the insole really well. To shape your toe body more, ideally you'd have something perfectly foot shaped like a wood shoe stretcher. I don't even have one of those things either. You can just shape the toe body by curling it over your fingers or pressing it into the palm of your hand from the inside. Think of it like you're trying to form a little round bowl in your hand. The cardboard won't be perfectly round, but you can do a lot of curving and rounding with some patience. Dry fit your conditioned and shaped toe body on the insole. The upper edges of the toe body tuck under the ends of the glued shoe body. The glued tabs go under the insole. If your toe body looks good, dry fitted, liberally apply glue to the inside of the toe body glue tabs. Liberally apply glue to the bottom of the insole around the edges of the toe. When your glue is almost tacky, apply the toe body to the insole. Tuck the top edges of the toe body under the front edges of the shoe body. Wrap the toe body glue tabs over the front toe end of the insole. Press the glue tabs onto the bottom of the insole. Set your glued assembly flat on a table and reach inside toward the front toe. With your fingers up in there as far as you can, press the insole down flat onto the glue tabs. This flattens the tabs onto the insole so it glues down better to the sole, which we'll get to in the next tutorial. Remember, my book is an important companion reference. I have a PDF version available also. Some parts of this process are just tricky enough that even I have trouble demonstrating or explaining it. Sometimes it's better just to have it all in front of you in print. Next in part 6, we're going to glue the body to sole. Have fun, good luck, and let me know if you have any questions.